Ever wondered what the total installation cost actually is when you upgrade to RCD360 PRO3S? Today we're breaking it down line by line so you can budget correctly. Many buyers only look at the head unit price and get surprised by extra costs later. Let's avoid that mistake. Here's everything you need to know. First, the head unit itself. The Scumaxcon RCD360 PRO3S with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto retails for $429. And the good news? The standard installation wiring harness is already included in that price. You don't pay extra for that. Everything you need for a basic installation is right here in the box. So when would you need to buy additional parts? It depends on your specific car and what features you want to keep. If you have an 8-button multi-function steering wheel, you'll need a decoder to make it work with RCD360. That's an extra $39. Next, reverse camera. A standard CCD camera costs $59. If you want the better flip-out HD camera, it's $129. There are options for every budget. You only pay for what you actually need. Most modern VWs already have CAN bus. If your car doesn't, you'll need an external CAN bus module for $29. If you're keeping your factory RGB reverse camera and want to use it with RCD360, you'll need an adapter cable for $19. Some installations require a new mounting frame or fitting kit. These usually cost between $15 and $30 depending on your car model. Every extra part is clearly priced, no hidden fees. Now the biggest variable, installation labor. If you DIY it, you save all labor costs. If you go to a professional car audio shop, expect to pay between $80 and $150 for labor, depending on your location. Is DIY hard? For someone with basic mechanical skills and 2 to 3 hours, it's totally doable. We even have a full step-by-step tutorial linked in the description. Take your time, follow the guide, and you can save a lot of money doing it yourself. Let's do a sample total. Basic DIY with wireless unit, no extra parts, $429 total. That's it. Fully loaded with wireless unit, decoder, flip camera, CAN bus, $429 plus $39 plus $129 plus $29 equals $626 before labor. Add professional installation at $100 and you're looking at around $726 total for a fully loaded setup. That's the complete breakdown. No hidden costs, no surprises. Have you installed RCD360 in your car? Share your total cost in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more RCD360 tips. Alright, which car gadget was your favorite today? If you got something out of this, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming up next. All the links for the RCD360 PRO3S are right down in the description. Thanks for watching.